How to verify phone number in NordFX. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're looking for a way to verify your phone number in NordFX, first of all, launch open the NordFX platform, which can be your app or website, and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and click on the Security tab from the left-hand corner, and inside Security, go to the Verify Phone Number option and click on it. Now go ahead and enter your phone number, select your country code from the top and click on I'm not a robot. Click the Send Code button and you will receive a verification code sent to you via SMS on your registered mobile number. Once you receive the code, go ahead and type it down. Finally, after you're done, click on this I'm not a robot box. And finally click verify, and if your code is correct, you'll be able to verify your phone number immediately. So that's it, that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.